Industrial facilities, ranging from oil refineries to power plants, contain systems that transport liquids and gases from place to place. Some of these systems contain tubing or flexible hoses, but many of them contain pipes. Generally, pipe has thicker walls and is more rigid than tubing or flexible hoses. Because pipe is rigid, it is often difficult to bend. For this reason, piping systems usually require more fittings than comparable tubing or flexible hose systems. Numerous individual pipes make up the network of pipes in an industrial facility. This network is often called a piping system. In this part, we'll look at some common materials used to make pipes, and we'll examine some of their characteristics. The type of material used to make the pipe for a specific application depends on the chemical and physical properties of the gas or liquid that must be transported. These properties include the corrosiveness of the gas or liquid and the pressures and temperatures that the pipe is subjected to. While decisions on pipe materials are usually made by the engineers who design piping systems, anyone who works with pipes should be familiar with common pipe materials and their characteristics. Some of the most common piping used in industrial systems is made from metals such as carbon steel, stainless steel, and copper. One type of plastic piping called polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, is also widely used. Steel is metal that contains iron and carbon. The more carbon present, the stronger the steel. Carbon steel pipe is formed into different sizes while it is still red hot. Iron oxide forms on the exterior of the pipe as it cools, coating it black. Carbon steel pipe is extremely strong. For this reason, it is often used in high pressure and high temperature systems, such as hydraulic systems that push and lift heavy loads. Another characteristic of carbon steel is that it's less brittle than other materials, such as stainless steel, so it's able to absorb vibrations. Therefore, it is well suited for systems that generate significant vibrations, such as in vibrators, used to make anodes and aluminum manufacturing processes, lifts, and large gearboxes attached to motors or turbines. Because it is susceptible to corrosion, carbon steel is generally used with non-corrosive gases and liquids. Another material that's commonly used to make pipe is stainless steel, which is a steel alloy containing 12% chromium by weight. The relatively large amount of chromium contained in stainless steel gives it corrosion resistance, superior to carbon steel and other low alloy steels. Since stainless steel is stronger and stiffer than materials such as copper, it is well suited for use in high temperature and high pressure systems, such as hydraulic systems. Additionally, stainless steel can be easily sterilized by chemically treating the piping and then flushing it with water to remove the chemical residue. This prevents contamination and makes it a good choice for systems in pharmaceutical, dairy, and food processing plants. Stainless steel is also corrosion resistant, so it can be used to transport many corrosive liquids, such as acids and caustics. When copper ages, it becomes dark and dull and can be easily confused with other types of pipe. Polish a small area of the pipe to bring back the original color if you're unsure of its material. Copper pipes naturally resist rust that could contaminate the air. For this reason, they're often used in pneumatic systems such as conveyors, mills, pneumatic valves, and control valves. Though it works well in most environments and is strong enough to handle loads that might rupture a plastic pipe, copper pipe is best suited for use in systems in which temperature and pressures are not extreme. Copper is lighter and easier to install than stainless steel. However, it expands more than other materials, which can cause pipes to split and eventually burst. For this reason, it is not suitable for systems that handle extremely corrosive substances. Polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, is a common nonmetal used as a pipe material. PVC is a synthetic resin that is usually white or gray in color. When it's manufactured, PVC can have various chemical compounds added to increase its resistance to heat, light, or oxygen. PVC pipe is often used in the chemical industry, and it can transport liquids with temperatures up to 175 degrees Fahrenheit.